Good day, everyone. Today, my group and I will be presenting on an experiment regarding the nucleation temperature part. How that even within the same long have to describe taste. Like vinegar, or of course we have lemon juice. The relationship between taste and a compound's acid and base properties is not an accident. Salts are substances that taste salty and are referred to as such in the chemical world if the hydrogen ion concentration in water or water solution is higher than the hydroxide ion concentration. The solution is acidic. If the hydroxide ion concentration is higher than the hydrogen ion concentration, the solution is basic. And if the concentration are equal, the solution is neutral. As a result, the comparatively high concentration of hydrogen ions in an acidic solution causes its characteristic, whereas the high concentration of hydrogen ions in a basic solution causes its characteristics. The acid and base concept, like many other basic concepts in chemistry, has its roots in ancient observations of substances people met on a daily basis. But it took centuries before these actual observations were assigned molecular explanations. So that's all for my introduction part.
Hi, I'm Jigan Kumar and we're explaining the hypothesis part of this experiment. The hypothesis of this experiment is mixing baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, which is acetic acid, causes a chemical reaction that produces a salt called sodium acetate, water, as well as carbon dioxide gas. And the materials that was used for this experiment is beaker, conical flask, spatula, weighing scale, and glass rod. I'm Jay and I'm recording this for experiment for group 3.
Group 8.
Group 8, sorry. That's my bad.
Shami, I'm the technician. I'll be doing the waiting.
And this is Janani.
Hi.
And this is Fakrul. This is Daniel.
Hello.
And this is Arif. Arif, buka mic. Buka mic.
Evening, my name is Shami. I'm basically doing the procedure part. So basically for the procedure, we will measure like 100 ml of vinegar and using the beaker. Then we will weight like a 50 gram of the baking soda, which is also known as calcium carbonate. So we'll be using the weight balance to measure out the thing. So what we do is we're gonna mix the baking soda, calcium carbonate, and the vinegar, and we're gonna observe the reaction. So basically what we're expecting from these reactions is basically is a neutralization reaction. So basically what we're trying to do is observe the any precipitate left from the reaction, which is supposedly to be our salt, as normally in neutralization it will be produced salt and water. So that's it for my part. Thank you.
In the result, by mixing 50 gram baking soda with 100 ml vinegar, we will get a reaction that will form a salt precipitate, which is sodium acetate with H2O and carbon dioxide.
Mixing baking soda and which is sodium bicarbonate and vinegar acetic acid will cause a chemical reaction that produce a salt, which is sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This express the neutralization between acid and base that produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Baking soda and vinegar reaction occurs in two steps. First, sodium bicarbonate as baking soda is a base and acetic is an acid neutralization reaction will occur as salt is more thermically stable compared to reactants.
So I'm going to be talking about the conclusion of our experiment. Neutralization is a chemical reaction between an acid and a base. It results in the formation of a salt and water. The acid donates protons to the base, creating a neutral solution with equal concentration of H plus and OH negative ions. The reaction is isothermic and produces heat. The specific salt form depends on the acid and base used. The process concludes when the acid and base are fully neutralized, resulting in a neutral solution with a pH of 7.